Hey, I'm Jacobody by Jake, and here's your fitness tip of the day. Work is over, you're in the kitchen thinking about dinner, but you didn't get your workout in. Tara didn't get a workout in. Tabletop push-up time before we make dinner. Here we go. Let's show you how we do it. Now, oh, perfect. Look at that. Your hands are shoulder width apart, stomach nice and tight. Squeeze that partissimo. Notice you're about 2 feet away from the tabletop. Let's push down and bring it right back up. Perfect. This is a great exercise for your chest and arms. The abdomen are tight. Squeeze that partissimo. It was a great day. Thinking about all the great things you accomplished during the day, now you get the workout in. Remember, stick to the fight. When your hardest hit, it's when things seem worst that you must not quit. Don't quit. Have a great day. Wow, you are good. Keep going. Keep going.